Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of lukewarm coffee ruining your morning routine? Well, I've got the game changer for you, the stainless steel thermal coffee carafe by Joysip. This incredible product is about to take your beverage game to the next level. With its advanced vacuum insulation technology, you can keep your drinks hot or cold for hours on end, and the durable construction ensures it can withstand even the toughest daily use. The stainless steel material is shatter-resistant and has a premium feel to it, giving you a sense of luxury with every touch. When you pour from this carafe, the ergonomic handle and drip-free pour spout make it a smooth and mess-free experience, and the wide mouth design allows for easy cleaning and adding ice cubes. The carafe holds up to 34 ounces, making it perfect for serving multiple drinks at once, whether you're entertaining guests or just need a large coffee fix. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The combination of form and function is unbeatable. You can use it at home, in the office, or even take it with you on the go. The modern design complements any setting. Imagine being able to enjoy your favorite hot or cold beverage anywhere, anytime, without worrying about it losing its temperature. The Joysip stainless steel thermal coffee carafe is a must-have for anyone who loves coffee or tea, and its versatility makes it an ideal gift for friends and family. So why settle for a mediocre beverage experience when you can have the best? Upgrade to the Joysip stainless steel thermal coffee carafe today and start enjoying your drinks the way they were meant to be enjoyed. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you like the video.